MoonPay. Features, strengths, weaknesses. MoonPay is a fiat-to-crypto on-ramp and off-ramp solution, meaning it allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using traditional currencies. Key features include support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, integration with various wallets, exchanges, and dApps via its API and SDK, localized payment methods to cater to different regions, and robust KYC/AML compliance. It is primarily designed for businesses and platforms seeking to integrate crypto buying and selling directly into their services, enhancing user experience and expanding their offerings. Individual users also benefit through direct access via partner platforms. MoonPay's strengths lie in its ease of integration, extensive cryptocurrency support, global reach, and commitment to regulatory compliance, making it a reliable and secure option for both businesses and individuals. A significant advantage is the reduced friction for users entering the crypto space, as it streamlines the purchasing process directly within the platforms they already use. However, MoonPay has weaknesses. Transaction fees can be higher compared to direct exchange platforms, potentially impacting cost-sensitive users. Dependence on third-party integrations means the user experience is ultimately dictated by the partner platform. Geographic limitations persist, as some regions still lack full support or access to specific payment methods. Security, while generally robust, is still vulnerable to phishing attacks aimed at obtaining user credentials on integrated platforms. While MoonPay simplifies fiat to crypto conversions, users need to be aware of the varying fee structures across different partner platforms and the inherent risks of relying on third-party services. It's crucial to compare prices and security measures across different integration points. In conclusion, MoonPay is a powerful tool for integrating crypto access into various platforms, offering convenience and a wide range of supported assets. However, the higher fees and reliance on partner platforms necessitate careful consideration of individual needs and risk tolerance before committing to the service. Its enterprise-grade KYC/AML is fantastic for business integration, but individual users need to be aware of their platform's fee structure. Weigh these pros and cons carefully to determine if MoonPay is the right solution for your specific crypto on-ramp or off-ramp needs.